Today we are making super juicy, fail-proof air fryer lamb bites. Start with fresh lamb with a little bit of fat. That keeps it juicy. Cut it into large chunks. Add some chopped onion and ginger. Then season with cumin powder, black pepper, and salt. Mix well, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then add about half a beaten egg. Mix until fully absorbed. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. This simple marinade gives the lamb a nice glossy coating without any excess liquid. Spread the lamb out in a single layer. Don't overcrowd. Lightly spray with oil. Air fry at 360°F for 5 minutes. At this point, the lamb is about halfway cooked and the surface is still juicy, so seasoning sticks really well. Now for a second layer of flavor, add chili powder, and some cumin seeds. A little more salt if needed. Mix well. Air fry at the same temperature for another 3 minutes. Finish with some seasoning seeds. Then increase the temperature to 390°F and cook for 3 more minutes. Crispy outside, juice bomb inside. These come out just as good as restaurant style. Thanks for cooking with me. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.